Hey! Today we are making a cat collar with an homemade identification tube. I developed this technique as I move a lot with my cat, and if he ever got lost, I wanted my informations to be easily accessible. It's easy to make, adjustable, and break away for extra safety. Here is an example of the final result and how it works. It's made to guide the one who opens it for it to be simple and intuitive, while also being waterproof, so that the information stays safe and for anyone to open it easily. Let's make that collar with Jetpack, my assistant. First, I choose a string. One part of the string will be on the top and the other part under. I'm making one simple knot around the string. And another one on the other side. And now we have a sliding knot, so that the collar is adjustable, and if the cat gets stuck in a branch or something, they will break away easily. Now for the tube, I start by folding a piece of paper in two, and I cut the edges roundly. Then I write my information inside. I like putting my cat's name, my phone number, and my email address, so there's many options. And then, to make it waterproof, I put a scotch tape on the outside and on the inside, covering everything, letting a little millimeter out so that there's no leak. And I cut around the excess tape while leaving that little millimeter gap. I roll it tight, and then I fold the extremity of a piece of tape. That's the part that will help opening the tube. I wrap the tape around the tube with the folded part at the end. For the last step, I take another piece of tape, fold the extremity, I stick the other extremity to the tube and wrap the tape around the collar. Halfway through, I write "open" for it to be obvious, and wrap the rest of the tape on top, leaving the folded part at the end. That's where we will pull to open it. And that's it! Now we have an adjustable collar that is breakaway and has a little information tube, easily openable, so that our cat remain safe and found. Thank you for watching! See you next time!
Ah, j'aime tellement ta voix là!